Hi everyone! This week I decided to explore using a fully saturated color because I mostly use muted colors in my work. So in this video you're going to see me working with two Amsterdam Expert colors. That's cadmium red, which is an opaque color, and phthalo blue, which is semi-transparent. And I'm also using an Amsterdam Standard color, which is a burnt sienna, and that is a totally transparent color. I'm also using a zinc white, which is a transparent white, as well as a titanium white, which is an opaque. I did that just so that I could kind of try and see how that phthalo blue would look over that cadmium red. Yeah, so I really did enjoy the transparency, but I wasn't that crazy about the boldness of the two colors because I feel like they're really competing with each other. On the other hand, I really like the transparent burnt sienna over that cadmium red. I love how well the muted burnt sienna complements that fully saturated red color. So just about here, I start getting into my head. I'm like not liking what I did with those marks, and that's why I just let my mind start playing games on me. It's really weird how fast things just start to spin out of control when I do this. And I usually do it when I'm stepping outside of my comfort zone. And that saturated cadmium red was really putting me off when I started to add those other unsaturated colors to it. So I started telling myself what a failure I was and that this wasn't going to work. And oh my God, you're going to ruin the whole painting. Luckily, I've trained myself to kind of ignore that voice. So sometimes that works, but if it doesn't, I just start answering myself and I just start thinking things like, well, this is not true. You're just saying that because you're not feeling comfortable right now. Or I'll say something like, I just need to explore. I'm not going to learn if I don't. Or I'll say something like, well, this was never meant to be my best work. I'm just trying new things. And then 2 seconds later, I mix this muted blue that I totally love. I am so in love with how it looks next to that burnt sienna, and I make this great discovery. So there you go. That's the ups and downs of being an artist, I guess. every painting gets to this really ugly stage at some point, and I guess that's where I am now. So what I'm doing is just trying to find my way, I guess. I'm trying to add elements that will calm down the painting and just create interest, I guess. So looking at this while editing, I wish I hadn't covered up the whole bottom part with one color, as you're going to see me do now. I think it would have looked way more interesting if I had only covered up bits and pieces. If it had been like a canvas painting, I would have totally stopped and, made some educated decisions before moving on. So I guess this is a note to myself to think about these things even when I'm working in my journal. So at this point I was done. So I just add some more of that cadmium red to create some more balance, and I call it finished. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you've got this far, write something like "it takes courage to be an artist" in the comment section to let me know you were here. All right, I'll see you next week, guys. Bye.